This is Dan Abbott of Southern Maine Community College. I'm making a video on partial views to supplement the one I've already done. I made a video on creating partial views of something like this. And what I'm looking for is not only partial views this time, but also a half section. If I look at a drawing, I had a student who wanted to create a half section for a front view, partial view on the left, partial view on the right, without having to delete a lot of lines. The technique for doing that, and we just delete all the views that I've got right now. We'll even delete that one, which I'm going to use in just a minute. The way to do that is to start not with a front view, but to start with one of the partial views. I'm going to take the left view, bring that off the sheet. I'm just going to put it off the sheet because I'm using it only to generate a half section. Come down and change the scale to 1:1. Now I'm going to go to the view layout, section view, select the half section button instead of the full section button. The one I want is this one right here. Pick the center, bring it over, drop the front view in place. In a case like this, where we're going to be doing dimensioning across the section as well as the unsection, I'd put the hidden lines. Now we can use this to generate partial views. We'll go back over to the section view. I'm going to pick a location for a cutting plane line that's off the part, so now it's a viewing plane line. We'll flip the direction of the we're going to flip the direction of the arrow and hope that it stays that way. It's kind of a little weird thing. I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to right click on the cutting plane line and hide it, and then to bring this back where it belongs, which is on this side. Now on the left hand side, I'm going to select the box that says section depth. I'm going to bring that magenta line into the middle of the part, pick OK, and what that does is only displays things to the left of that line. We'll do it one more time. Once again, we'll come out here, pick OK. Yeah, it wants to play with the direction, so I'm just going to put it someplace. Right click on the line, hide the cutting line, and then go and grab that view and bring it back over. Go to the left, section depth, bring that in the middle for that one. And now you can go ahead and add center line, dimension everything, and you'll have a half section for a front view and partial views for the left view and the right view.